everybody and welcome to a new tutorial. Today I will show you how you can draw this piece in AutoCAD 2021. To gain more speed, let's put this drawing into our workspace. If you want to move the drawing, just press the mouse wheel and move the mouse. If you want to zoom in or to zoom out, just scroll up and down the mouse wheel. But before every single drawing, the units are very important. So we will type units and press enter, and then it will appear here a window with bunch of options. By far the most used ones are here the decimal, precision I will select with 3 decimals, lightning I will let it in international because I'm from Europe, and the insertion scale units maybe I will let it in centimeters for this drawing because this drawing is pretty small. But also you can have other options where you need to work in meters, millimeters and so on. The angle now I will let it in decimal degrees, and the precision I will let it like this with no decimals. So we are ready to go. Let's start. The first thing that we will do is to start with the boundary here. So we will apply the RECTANG command starting from a random point. And the first dimension, it will be 100 tab 50 units. Enter. The next step, it will be to find the center point. For this, we will build another rectangle with the dimensions 20 and 20, starting from this point. If you don't know where is the end point or the midpoint, just write these settings, press enter, and here you can check all the commands or just those that you actually need, and press OK. And now write rectangle from this point, and the first dimension it will be 20 tab 20, enter. Once we reach this point, we will construct the first circle. So write circle from this point, the end point, and we need a circle with the diameter of 10. So we will press D from diameter, enter, and now we will write 10 units, enter. Also, we need the second circle, so write again circle from the same point, and we need a circle with the radius of 10 as we see here. So we will not write D again, we will press directly 10, enter. Now we don't need this rectangle anymore, we can delete it. And now press L from line, find the quadrant until we reach the perpendicular point. Select this line, copy it from this point in quadrant until the other quadrant. Select the entire drawing and press trim. Now delete this part. Now for the second object, apply the mirror command. Select this object, press enter, and find first of all the midpoint and just drag it. Now erase source object no, and we will apply again for the second time the mirror option. So mirror, select again, but this time this object, press enter and select the midpoint here. Erase source object for this time yes, and in this way we constructed, gaining a lot of time because those two objects are the same. Now for the final part we will focus on this rectangle. We will start with a line exactly from the midpoint, a line of 20 plus 30 minus 10, a line of 40 units. So press line, select the midpoint, this green triangle, and write 40 units. Make sure every time you have the ortho command active for straight lines and straight angles as well. Now we need to build 2 parallel lines, each one of a distance of 70 units. So we will apply the offset command and press 7 for each side. Now delete the interior line and construct another line from one point to the other. Exactly from this middle we need to build another circle with a radius of 4. The fastest way to know where it is this middle, we will build another line, actually a diagonal from one corner to the other. And now we will construct a circle with a radius of 4 units. Now we can delete this diagonal. And our drawing now is complete. I hope this video helped you. As always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you next time.